Hello traders, Jason here with SwingHigh.com. It is April 20th, 2011, and I am long overdue for another video here. I just want to run over the broad market situation right now and a few stocks that I've been trading recently. What we have here is the SPY, which is the S&P 500 tracking ETF, and what looked like it could have been the makings of a double top just a few days ago now looks like it might be more of an inverse head and shoulders pattern. If you see this shoulder right here, this little dip, head and shoulder, that means the neckline is just about 134.50 or 134.60 actually. So above 135, that's very, very bullish on the S&P. If I go to the NASDAQ, we have sort of a symmetrical triangle breakout today, but definitely not near the highs, which is not something I would want to see, as I would want to see the NASDAQ leading. Pullback buy situation on the Russells, but also not making new highs, which is also not so good, because I would like to see the NASDAQ and small caps leading the charge here. However, sometimes the other markets will lead. The Dow here is really flirting with it's not all time, it's yearly highs. So things are looking good. The dollar is still showing weakness. It was showing strength a couple days ago, but now it's very weak. It was down over 1% today. And gold is still strong. It's just a strange relationship between gold and stocks lately, but it's just kind of been the recent norm. I have a few, I have 5 stocks here to review. Basically, as the S&P made a pullback buy situation, I have been adding to a few longs and picking up a few small new positions. We'll try to get through as many as I can in this video, and I might need to make another one. This is Fossil. I've been playing Fossil for a while now. If I pull up the weekly here, it'll give you a better picture. I think I initially got in Fossil right here on this ascending triangle breakout down near the 55 level. So Fossil's been one of my killer stocks, which is cool. They ran up very nicely from that breakout, pulled back, added to that position in this area, and now we have an ascending triangle, even a high base. Not really a breakout, sort of a sneak out, but I added a little bit to my position on that and tightened up my stop. This is TWI. This trade I did not make today. I made it yesterday. I'm going back to the S&P real quick. I was rather aggressive with this entry in TWI. As you can see, the S&P did not really have a confirmed bounce. It wasn't a confirmed swing low yet, a higher swing low that is. But I took a small position in TWI, risking just about $100 here. I think I picked up around 50 shares, and put a tight stop on that swing. So just because TWI was already breaking out of that bull flag setup, and I figured with a tight stop it could be leading the market, so I just picked up some shares there. And today it sort of proved me right, although that's a doji, which is not something I want to see. I would like to see it test these highs before it turns over again. AEZS, another speculative one that I've been playing for a while. Let's see, I initially started playing this one somewhere back in here. Right now, off the top of my head, I can't think of where. Might have been this pullback buy situation, but I definitely picked it up somewhere in here. And then as it's been grinding higher and making this ascending triangle formation, it gapped up and broke out hard today with huge volume. So I had no problem adding to that position and tightening my stop. I have 2 more stocks to talk about, and I will make one more video for this post.